Switch on the analyzer. Input your username and password. Check the boxes for Keep Password and Auto Login. Click Login. Click Settings to access the Function Settings menu. Enable Auto Print and Wi-Fi. Click Tools. Click Net Connection. Choose the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Confirmation. The Wi-Fi icon will appear at the top right corner of the screen. Click Back. Click Admin. Enter the analyzer password to access administrator mode. Click Print Settings to enter the print configuration menu. Check the boxes for the information you need to appear on the slip. Click OK. Click Exit Manager to exit administrator mode. Click Time Set to enter the time configuration menu. Set the analyzer system time. Click Set to save the settings. Click back to return to the previous menu.